Do not know why I started to do this. This job is getting bigger and bigger. Alright, finally got the boat into the shed, so now just got to pull the last few things apart. I'm going to get into the cab, remove the last bit of carpet on the floor and walls, pull the toilet out and anchor winch come out and a few of the hatches, I think, and we'll go from there. So, chuck a mask on and get rid of all this carpet. Rip this back cover off. So here's obviously where they're mounting all the pumps. We've got a macerator for the toilet, 2 lines here for fresh water. That one must be going to the old shower, and there's a line that runs down the back there, so I assume that's going to the sink. We've got an inline filter here. And the pump, so that water line, I'm guessing, runs down into the fresh water tank, which is what I want to get to. I want to see how much water this thing holds. So I'm guessing if I pull this hatch up around the corner, it should let me get into the floor, and there's probably a waste holding tank and fresh water tank under there. And I'm a little bit sketchy on whether that waste tank is going to be clean or empty or full of shit. And then it's got to go. Alright, I'll get this floor up and have a look. Alright, I think I got all the hot rivets. Let's see if we can find out where these tanks are. What is that? There's always one. Always one. The one thing I didn't want to find, have a look at this. This is the waste tank. Alright. Yeah. The waste tank's still half full. Right, let's get this thing out of here. Strap straight to the tip. I think we've got one more line. Breather, which is on there. Good screwdriver, good screwdriver. I don't know why I'm doing this. Do not know why I started to do this. This job is getting bigger and bigger and bigger. Right, slowly getting somewhere with stripping the lot. Taking all the pumps out, toilets removed, shit tanks removed. Now there is a drain that goes from the floor down here into that container, which is a suction pump, and then out through the hull. Now, I'm not sure if I'm going to reuse that. I don't know how often we'll actually use a shower in the cab. It's just a lot of stuff I don't want to have to maintain and keep in the boat. So what I'm thinking, if I get rid of that, I'll leave the toilet in here. I just don't think we'd use a shower inside this little cab anyway. And what I'm thinking is outside here, on top of the boat, top of the roof here, is run two 30 or 40 litre tanks either side. We'll have the solar panels obviously on top, radar mount way at the front there. So I'm thinking might put two black tanks up top, and then that'll allow us to have freshwater shower if we come in for a dive, and maybe sort of heated by the sun. That eliminates having to do anything else with the shower. I'm pretty sure we'd use it a lot more if I had it out here as well. So let me know if you think that would be a good idea, or if I should put it back in that dungeon hole down there. I'm not too sure with that one yet. Or if you think of anything that you reckon would be a good idea to put on the boat while I'm at this point with the boat, let me know. Or if there's things that you would have put on your boat in hindsight, let me know now so I can start kitting this thing out, because I kind of want to make it an ultimate getaway boat. Yeah, so we'll see how we go. The old girl's just rocked in for some repair, so we can have a quick look at the difference between the old and new.